Okay guys, this claw machine looks great. It's fantastical. Porky the Pig. Looks so easy to win. Look at him. I think right there. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. What you doing? Oh, come on. That was horrific. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one now. Porky. Oh, there we go. Clamped. Oh, by the hat. Oh, look at it. This hat is like Santa hat. I just gotta spin the claws for this one. Move back. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna use my angles this time. Looks pretty good. Looks whoa, holy crab cakes.
That little spaz attack, man.
Yeah.
It was like, nope.
It looked pretty easy.
It kind of dug in though.
A little bit. The one on the left one is. I can get that pig in the back too. Plush and the jewelry claw is like a piece of cake to win. See if I can get a 2-in-1. Maybe. Wow.
Really dug in there.
And this claw is super weak. See how weak that was?
One, though. That way you can pick it up by the lid.
Yeah. Actually, I'm going to see if that pig is gettable in the back.
There's so goes far enough back.
Oh, wow. It doesn't. Should I go for this one?
Yeah, go for that one.
Uh-oh. Too far. Wow, that's horrible. Maybe not. Ooh. Let's go for olive oil one more time. I'm going to spin the claws. If I can. I'm gonna go more for like upper body, I think. Go for her chest. Oh, there we go. See, it's inside her body. There we go. Perfect. Nice. Huge olive oil from the dollar claw. That's pretty sick. Nice. Don't get stuck. Claw won't open up. Oh, she almost got stuck. That was scary. Alright, I'm gonna try again for this Porky the Pig. He's so gettable. Can't believe I haven't got him. Actually, I'm gonna do some raking first. Put him aside and do some raking. If I can. Oh, look at that. Oh, I can break the snowman, kind of. Oh, I'm moving Porky by raking the snowman. Okay, let's go for... Oh, crap, I ran out of time. I looked down, and it was at 0 seconds, and then I looked up, and it already dropped. Oh, I don't know if that helped or not. Oh, ran out of time. Let's see. Oh, I think I can get Porky. Try it again. I want to go for that Barney, too. I'm going to see if I can get him by the feet. Probably sell them for like $2 on eBay. Oh, almost get him. Let's go for Porky again. Oh, nope. Clamped the wrong direction. Nope. Nope.
Careful.
What the heck? That was dumb. I would have had that. It's like perfect on there. Let me go for this one more time. There we go. Got him. Oh, serious? Look how gettable he is. There we go. There we go. Got it. Yes. Sweet. You guys want this? Okay, here you go.
Thanks. Thank you.
Sure. Oh, no. I'm gonna try this ball claw. I think this ball right here is gettable. Could go for that SpongeBob ball too, but this one's lighter, so it'll be a lot easier. This one kind of looks like my claw at my Walmart. Maybe. Yes. Stay. Sweet. Got a ball. Nice. I'm getting old for this. Oh, it's really inflated.
How does it work?
Let's see. There we go. Nope. Alright. This call isn't very good. Go for Barney. Okay, we'll go for his body, I guess. Oh, there we go. Got him. Oh, I shook it a little bit. Nice. Oh, barely fell in there. I got Barney. Come on. Oh, 3 in 1. 3 in 1. Holy crap. 3 in 1. What is this? Ew. Oh my gosh. A 3 in 1. That's pretty. I haven't had one of those in such a long time. Let's see what's in here. It's definitely not an iPod. Nice, I got whatever bracelet. I got 3 in 1. That was pretty cool. It's like a lifetime chance. Yeah, let's just go for this Happy Bird, actually. I don't think I can win that. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, come on. Oh, that's so close. I'll try one more, I guess. I was waiting for you and you never came. So.
I know, it took a freaking eternity for that lady.
Oh, there we go. Clamped. Oh. This should be a walk in the park. Oh, I missed it. Oh, this one feels heavy. Oh, nice. That's a weird grip. Oh, it's stuck. Stuck prize.
Taking pictures in a trip.
I know, I can take a screenshot right now. Come on. Football style. Oh. I don't want that lady to get mad at me again. Oh. I can't. Dude, this is stuck. How did I get this?
Oh, I can't lift this one up.
I'll spend another $1, I guess.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Well, I think I will anyway,
You
so.
have a try.
No. I got a 2 to 1. I might try for that motorcycle toy over there. Come on. There we go. It's not an iPod though. It already
No, it sucked.
fell.
You moved it over and it fell.
Yeah. Every once in a while that'll happen.
It's not heavy.
Yeah, probably not. Oh, come on. That should have it. Oh, I broke it. Close, close, close. Oh, oh, oh. What'd I get?
iPod.
No, it's not. Some weird black goth jewelry. Should I go for the treasure chest? I know it doesn't have an iPod. I want to go for this bike. This bike is kind of cool, I guess. Oh, that sucked.